Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the world as we know it. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is already having a profound impact on our lives. And now, AI is starting to revolutionize the field of front-end development. In the past, front-end development was a time-consuming and often tedious process. Developers had to write thousands of lines of code by hand, and even small changes could take hours or even days to implement. But with the advent of AI-powered tools, front-end development is becoming faster, easier, and more efficient than ever before. AI can now generate code, create layouts, and even test websites and apps. This is freeing up developers to focus on more creative and strategic work, such as designing user experiences and building complex features. One of the most significant ways that AI is changing front-end development is by speeding up the prototyping, coding, and testing processes. Prototyping AI-powered design tools like Figma AI are making it faster and easier for designers to create prototypes and experiment with different design ideas. With Figma AI, designers can easily create interactive prototypes that would have taken hours or even days to build in the past. Coding AI-powered code completion tools like GitHub Copilot are helping developers to write code faster and with fewer errors. Copilot can suggest code snippets, functions, and even entire lines of code, which can save developers a significant amount of time and effort. Testing AI can also be used to automate the testing of websites and apps. These tools can automatically identify and diagnose errors, which can save developers a lot of time and effort. Section 4. The Evolving Landscape. New Roles and Skill Sets for Designers and Developers. As AI continues to transform the field of front-end development, the roles of UI/UX designers and developers are also evolving. For designers, AI is freeing them from tedious and repetitive tasks, allowing them to focus on more strategic and creative work. Designers will need to be comfortable working with AI-powered tools and understanding how to use them to their advantage. For developers, AI is changing the nature of their work, but it is not replacing them. Instead, developers are becoming more like architects, using AI-powered tools to assemble and orchestrate complex systems. Both designers and developers will need to be lifelong learners to stay ahead of the curve. They will need to be constantly learning new skills and expanding their knowledge base to keep up with the latest advancements in AI. Section 5. The Future of Front-End Development, Trends and Predictions for 2025 and Beyond. The use of AI in front-end development is still in its early stages, but it is clear that AI is already having a major impact on the industry. Here are a few key trends to watch for in 2025 and beyond. The rise of no-code and low-code platforms. AI-powered no-code and low-code platforms are making it easier than ever for people with little or no coding experience to create websites and apps. These platforms will make it possible for anyone to create a website or app, regardless of their technical skills. The increasing importance of design systems. Design systems are a collection of reusable components and guidelines that help to ensure consistency and efficiency in the design and development process. AI can be used to help create, maintain, and even enforce design systems. The growing demand for AI skills. As AI becomes more prevalent in front-end development, there will be a growing demand for developers with AI skills. Developers who can build and work with AI-powered tools and technologies will be in high demand.